I think it's time. Yes, it's time to bring history back to life.
Cool, it's amazing.
Talks of Wheels TV. Do you like classic vehicles? Then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button because it does something very special. It makes you younger.
Ooh, I feel better already.
Hello, welcome back classic car connoisseurs. Here's another mouth-watering mechanical masterpiece featuring British police cars from the 1950s right through until the swinging 60s. So without further ado, let's take a trip down memory lane. Here's the Wolseley 690 MGA 1600 Vauxhall Cresta PC, followed by the Ford Anglia 105E and the Mini Cooper S, and last but not least the Ford Zephyr 6. Do you currently own one of these 1950s, 1960s police cars? Have you recently restored one? Please feel free to comment or leave a video response of your restored police car masterpiece.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no! I'm afraid we've run out of time. But just before you go, please leave thumbs up below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
Subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. Talks of Wheels TV.